A quiz for children based on our story, Three Brave Boys. Watch our video about the three brave boys, Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego, and see how many of these questions you can answer. Question 1. Where did Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego live? A. Moab, B. Bethlehem, C. Babylon, D. Uz, E. Jerusalem. Question 2. What did the king see when he looked in the fire? A. An angel. B. No fire. C. 3 men, of whom none was tied. D. No smoke. E. 4 men, of whom none was tied. Question 3. Who was the king at the time of the story? A. King Nebuchadnezzar. B. King David. C. King Chilion. D. King Jesus. And E. King Jesse. Question 4. What did the king understand when he saw what happened to the 3 boys? A. The king knew that he was very angry. B. The king knew that they worshipped the Most High God. C. People who said bad things about God would be hurt. D. He was afraid of God. E. He heard music playing in the distance. Question 5. What did everyone see when the boys came to the king after being in the fire? A. Everyone saw that the men who tied them up had died. B. His musicians were waiting for him to give them orders. C. That they backchatted the king, making him very angry with them. D. That they were fine. Their hair and clothes were not burned, and they didn't even smell of smoke. E, that the king had a new decree about worshiping his idol. Question 6. In the Bible, it says that astrologers were jealous of the boys. What Jamaican word did we use to convey this concept? A, obeahmen. B, musicians. C, angels. D, village strongmen. And E, diplomats. Question 7. Who tied up the 3 young men and threw them into the fire? A, the astrologers. B, the king. C, the king's strongest men. D, the Babylonian army. And E, the ministers of government. Question 8. Why did the 3 young men refuse to worship the golden idol and the king's gods? A, they were afraid of God. B, they loved and respected God. C, they knew that God would save them. D, the king was going to kill anyone who disrespected God. E, they knew that everyone hated them. Question 9. Where do you find the story of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego? A, the book of Daniel and watch chapter 1. B, the book of Daniel and watch chapter 3. C, the book of Daniel and watch chapter 5. D, the Acts of the Apostles chapter 8. And E, the book of Esther and watch chapter 3. All right, so how many did you get right from that? See how many you got right. Question 1, Babylon. That is at C. Question 2, E, 4 men of whom none was tied. Question 3, King Nebuchadnezzar. Question 4, the king knew that they worshipped the Most High God. Question 5, D, everyone saw that they were fine. Their hair and clothes were not burned and they didn't even smell of smoke. Question 6, A, obeahman. Question 7, C, the king's strongest men. Question 8, B, they loved and respected God. Question 9, C, the book of Daniel and watch chapter 3. So, how many did you get right? If you didn't get all 9, then go back and read the story of the 3 brave boys and try to get all 9 next time.